Hello, my name is Alisa Blogo and today I'm going to show you how to create events on LinkedIn. So the first step you should do is to go to the home page on LinkedIn. On your LinkedIn profile, click on the home page. Then scroll on the left side down and then you'll see recent, groups and events. Click on plus to create an event. Here you can change a cover page, a profile page, profile photo, a name of the event, location, venue details, date and time, time zone, event description, external URL. For example, if you are creating an event on Eventbrite or Meetup, so you can share your external link here and then choose if it's private or public event, and basically that's it. And you can also copy paste the description from your external source for the event here, and then you would click create. And that's it. Then you can invite your LinkedIn connections to the event as well. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.